Welcome to the Tempe Police Real-Time Operations Center. Deputy Chief Navarro, as a former council member and as a dedicated firefighter since 1995, technology here must be so important to you.
It is. I can think of so many situations these networks of cameras could have helped me and other first responders on calls. Our police officers, our firefighters, staff throughout the city work every day to make our city a safer place for everyone. The Real-Time Operations Center will help everyone be a little bit safer.
One of the things we know about Tempe is that people from other cities come here for work, for school, for travel, and for events. Our city of 191,000 residents becomes a city of more than 315,000 people every day. And we need to think about community safety in a broader perspective. And real-time crime centers are being adopted by all sophisticated cities to help with creating greater community safety. Most larger cities have what they call real-time crime centers. They use them for fighting crime. Crime will always be a part of what's first and foremost to the city of Tempe. But we are embedding additional employees to help us with other operational needs, such as graffiti removal, traffic issues, and more. That's why we're calling this the Real-Time Operations Center.
A Real-Time Operations Center is a facility that utilizes technology, data analytics, and collaboration to enhance law enforcement, public services, and public safety within a community.
Public safety was a top priority for residents in the recent community survey. The Real-Time Operations Center is one way we are taking action.
We want people to have confidence in our community safety. That means that in an unfortunate incident that something happens, you are confident that you will get fast, professional, local response to your crisis, and you will be well cared for, whether you're using technology like the Real-Time Operations Center or patrolling your neighborhood in a more traditional way.
Really the goal of our next phase of our real-time operations is to extend those capabilities to every department in the city. That includes things like emergency services, fire, medical, as well as operations in our parks and expanding what we can do on our roadways. So the role of IT is to bring all of our different technologies to one location and be able to assist and train staff to be able to access information appropriately and be able to respond and really empower the work that they're doing across our emergency services in every department of the city of Tempe.
The primary technology in real-time operations centers are cameras. There's so many cameras across our communities, from traffic cameras to live feeds from businesses and schools. So for instance, when a 911 call comes in, our operators can immediately pull up cameras in those locations and begin to fill real-time information and feed it back to our patrol officers who are responding to the scene.
In many of the situations, it's like having the helicopter up in the sky that's able to communicate to the incoming officers what's going on. We can do predictive work as well. We can start to predict where crimes have occurred in the past, where they may in the future. They're not evaluating a specific area all day long looking for things to happen or an aha moment. That is not what's happening. Big Brother is not going to be watching our community. We value our citizens' privacy.
It's a partnership with our business owners, with our schools, utilizing technology that's already in place to help us solve crime. It's more of us responding to what's occurring and utilizing all the technology available to us to be more effective and efficient. Other technology that is often found in real-time operations centers are gunshot detection, license plate readers, and many departments are utilizing drones as first responders and incorporating all of that technology into the operations center, making us definitely more effective. A real-time operations center will make our communities safer.
Technology is only one component of our community safety plan. Response to crime is only one piece of our solution. We want to get to know our community so we can understand what we can do more of, what we can do less of, and how can we create an environment where everyone feels safe 24/7.